So guys, ngayon ito na po ang part 3, ang last na vlog natin. Tapos bukas ulit, tignan nyo po yung airplan natin ngayon. Pinagtripan ko na. Yan, ang ganda na po, diba? Di po pala ako nakabili ng wing nun. Yan, meron tayo dalawang tall dyan. Tapos, di ko alam kung ano to. So, mga 1,000 yan, malalakas yan. Tingnan natin kung nag-restock man. Nag-restock naman. Restock. Nag-restock na naman. Nabilin natin yung lahat. Ako itong mga fuel ilalagay natin dito.
Our entire life. We got this. Historic day. Looks like we have a deal. East School was demolished, but A School is our chance to study again. Let's do this.
Loving me. You.
Oh, and losers get this humiliating punishment. My AR glasses help me detect new cheaters.
Itong mga wing. Yan. Saan yung better po pero no.
Hey, that's not fair. Chelsea has never choose that.
Nag-restock mo naman.
Wait! I promise those aren't ours. Go check.
Okay, fine. Pinaganda ko na. Yes. Ilang ano yun? Ilang ano yun? Teka lang, may kasabay ako dito. Oh! Oh my! Oh my God! Oh. Ang bagal naman ito. Sure ka? Mabilis na siya yan?
Hey, what do you have against us low-income kids?
Losers like you bring down the reputation of our school. Not just trying to take the grade.
You'll never stop.
Di na pala nun. Di umabol nun eh. Ma! Nothing! Pagkatapos na ito, black suit na naman. Black suit tayo pagkatapos na ito.
Robotics, your robots must pass this finish line.
Pagkatapos na ito, black shirt na naman.
It's too easy. My dad invented AI.
All up in the
Over
Toe.
your heads.
Sorry. Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan! Dito muna po nagtatapos yung video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, comment, subscribe. Ito po ang pinaka-last na vlog, na part. Ang plane, na build the plane.
You know, I made this dress myself.
Guys.
It is so cute. You got this.
Okay. Bye.